guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jeep Trackhawk. You guys have already seen this car in one of my videos where I installed the Be Witty intake. But today I'm going to tell you guys what I like about this car and what I don't like. Even though I don't really not like anything, I truly do love this car. So let me show you guys around. So here on the screen we have a lot of different modes. We have the seat warmer and cooler. We have media, and it has CarPlay as well. And then one of the cool things is the performance pages. So as you can see, it's really spacious in here. There's a lot of legroom for people who are tall. I'm not tall, and this is also a good car for people who are kind of short like me, because the seat goes really forward and it goes up really high, and then the steering wheel could be moved really low and really high as well, and I could bring it forward a lot. So every time I'm driving, I just need to put it basically all the way up. But it's like really comfortable. I could see everything. The seat hugs me. There's really nothing I would change about the car, like the way that they designed it for anybody to drive, because you could also go really back. So you could go all the way back, and then you could put this all the way forward, which gives you a lot of room, which I think that's the point of an SUV. You have to have a lot of room. Another cool feature about this Jeep Trackhawk, specifically, I don't think all of them come with this, is this sunroof that goes all the way back. So you could just do this and everybody can, you know, look up. So that's really cool. And then you could also open the glass here too. As you can see, the back, the seats are already you could recline them, so whoever's back there could, I think you could also recline them separately, so this one could be up and then this side could be down. So you know, it's individual. If somebody wants to sleep or sit, they could change it, which I think it's really cool. One thing though, I don't know about the foot space here, the leg room. It's kind of tight. If these people here go all the way back, it's kind of tight, but if you go forward, then it's fine. So here we have the different drive modes. This is tow, this is snow, obviously for when you're in the snow. This is auto. This is the one that's gonna get you the best gas mileage, like I said. This is sport and track, and then, you know, track is where it gives you the full performance. And then this is the launch button here. So, you know, I usually do custom because you could change it, and you could change the suspension. If you want to go fast and you still want to save on gas, I would do custom. And then let's go back here to the trunk section. So here we have the trunk, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of space. I love it. You could put just luggage, groceries, whatever, and it's easy. It's so easy to open. I already have it open, but to close it is also just this button here, and then this closes for you. So let me open the hood for you guys, and you can see under the hood. As you can see here, here's the intake I installed. It's still well on, so I think I did a good job. And then here's the famous Hellcat motor that has 707 horsepower. So In here, this is my favorite thing, the intake. It's so loud. The whine it makes, the sound is like, it's extremely loud. You can't hear anything else but the whine. This SUV is by far one of the fastest SUVs on the planet, and it's because of the Hellcat motor. And I mean, I think it could be any other SUV that's out right now. So hopefully I could get someone another SUV, maybe the Hellcat Durango, and race that pretty soon, and let's see which one is faster. Also, the payments on this car are just, it's insane. And now that the vehicle market is just going crazy, these are actually going up. So I think the month, I mean, I don't know about, you know, credit or whatever, down payment, but depending on what deal you get, you might be paying upwards of like $1,500 to $2,000, which, I mean, I would still get it because from what I heard, I don't think they're making any more Trackhawks, so this is almost, you know, a collectible item. So I would get it even if it's $2,000, and it's fast. So, and you could race people with this car, so I would buy it even though it's expensive. Also, the price, the manufacturer's retail price is around $85,000 to $115,000 depending on where you're at. Here in LA, everything is overpriced, so they're going upwards of like $130,000 right now. So if you can buy it out of state, if you're from LA, I would suggest you do that, because buying it here, you're gonna get ripped off. You really are. But like I said, it's all preference. If you want to buy it because, you know, it has a Hellcat motor, then buy it, because I don't even see any for sale that much. They're kind of rare now, so I would get it. So I did say that there was one thing that I didn't like about this car, and it's the gas mileage. First of all, in LA, 1 gallon is $5 right now, so that's horrible already. And then when you put it on auto, it gets like 12 miles, I think. And then if you put it on any other mode, it's like 5 miles, which is horrible, horrible. I'm always filling up. That's one thing that I can't stand, is always going to the gas station. So if you could drive it on auto and not go fast, I would, even though you're still gonna have to go to the gas station pretty often, which is annoying, but nevertheless, it's still, you know, super fast. So you gotta weigh out, you know, the pros and cons, which I think either way you gotta go to the gas station, so it doesn't really matter. So now I'm gonna show you guys what the factory exhaust sounds like and what the whine sounds like with the Be Woody. And now I'm going to show you guys how the whine sounds like from the outside. So as you guys can see from the draggy footage, this did 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. I do have a cameraman with me and myself in the car, so it's kind of accurate. Also, it's really easy to launch on the street, probably one of the easiest cars to launch. So that concludes my Jeep Trackhawk review. I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Also, turn on the notifications, because nobody sees the videos if they don't turn them on. You literally will not know. And thank you for watching.